Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rahul GPAT Academy. Today I am going to discuss regarding dispensing pharmacy, one of the most important topic for GPAT as well as NIPER point of view. Actually, each and every year we used to get minimum 3 to 4 question from dispensing pharmacy. So each and every most important topics from dispensing pharmacy I am going to discuss in this video. So watch the whole video please to know each and every most important topics for GPAT and NIPER. So let's start. One of the most and first important topic from dispensing pharmacy is prescription. So what is prescription? Now prescription is nothing but the written order from whom? Now from the physician, dentist or any registered medical practitioner. For whom? Now to the pharmacist for the patient. From registered medical practitioner, physician or dentist to pharmacist for what? Now for compounding and dispensing what? The medicine to the patient. That nothing but the prescription. That nothing but the prescription. Okay. That nothing but the prescription. So order, written order from the dentist, physician, veterinarian or RMP, registered medical practitioner, to the pharmacist for patient. Why? Not to compound as well as to dispense a specific medicine. That nothing but the prescription. So different parts of prescription are there. For GPAT or NIPER point of view, these four parts are important. These four parts need to be remembered. Please try to remember these four parts majorly for GPAT as well as NIPER point of view. First one, superscription. Superscription is generally represented by RX. RX. Superscription is represented or symbolized by RX. RX stand for take the or you take. Take the or you take. So you'll be asked like what RX stand for. Now RX stand for you take or take the. What does this mean? It signifies the it's nothing but the sign of Jupiter. Sign of Jupiter. Jupiter is the god of healing. God of healing. Jupiter is the god of healing. So in superscription portion, minimum three question like hidden. Okay, three question may be possibly maybe asked from superscription only. But now how it's denoted? Now by RX. What it means? Now take the or you take, and what is sign? This is the sign of Jupiter. And who is Jupiter? The Jupiter is not the god of healing. God of healing. Next important part is inscription. Inscription is nothing but the main body part of any prescription. Okay. Inscription is nothing but the any main body part of any inscription, and it mainly contain the name as well as quantity of medicine, means how much medicine will be dispensed, that amount as well as name of that medicine is to be incorporated in this portion, in this body part. That nothing but inscription. Okay. Inscription. I for inscription. I for regarding ingredients means regarding medicine, its name as well as its quantity. Inscription means I for inscription, I for ingredients, nothing but the medicine, that's quantity as well as name. Next important part of prescription is subscription. Subscription is nothing but towards the pharmacist. Subscription portion only for pharmacists is direction to pharmacist for preparing as well as dispensing the prescribed medicine. Okay, prescribed medicine. First superscription RX, it will be by the help of by the like doctor. It means take the you take or sign of Jupiter, god of healing. Next part, inscription, nothing but the quantity of medicine or name, means regarding ingredients. Next subscription, that will be dispense or compound. Now who will do that? Now pharmacist. So subscription is nothing but the direction to the pharmacist for what? Now for preparing as well as dispensing the prescribed medicine. Next and important point, signature. signature for the patient, subscription for pharmacist, signature for patient. What it will direct? Now direction to the patient forward regarding how to take the medicine. How to take the medicine. So these are the four main parts of prescription that you need to remember properly for GPAT or NIPER point of view. In this different way, you will be asked for GPAT or NIPER. Okay. So next important point from prescription portion is important Latin term you have to remember. Most of the time one question used to come from Latin word. Like these Latin words I have all mentioned. So you guys already I think have to know. You have to just remember. AC means anticipum. Ante means before meal. Before meal. Siva means meal. Ante means before. Age. Agla means pehle. A for agla means A for anti means pehle. Pehle before the meal. PC post sevam post before after meal. BID bis in die means twice a die. TID you guys already come to know. Just you need to remember. So go through once these Latin words. Please try to remember. Hope you guys will come. Hope you guys will get from this few important Latin words only in the exam. So next important topic from dispensing pharmacies, alcohol dilution. Alcohol dilution is mainly its mathematical portion from dispensing pharmacy. Now what is alcohol dilution? Now diluted alcohol. What it means? Now 95% will be alcohol and remaining 5% is nothing but the water. That nothing but the alcohol dilution. Here you have to calculate volume of stronger alcohol required. That you have to calculate volume of stronger alcohol required to prepare that percentage. You have to calculate. By which? Now by this equation. What you have to do? Now volume required into percentage required by percentage used. That's the equation. Okay. So you have to multiply volume required and percentage required, and you have to divide by the percentage used. So whatever are there beside each other, that's adjacent to different values will be multiplied. These two values will be multiplied, and these two values will be divided by the this single one. This single one. That's the main equation. Okay. So now we'll solve this problem. If volume required is 400 ml and percentage required is 50% and percentage of alcohol used 95, then what is the volume of stronger alcohol required? No, like just you have to multiply these two and you have to divide it by this alone one 95. That's it. Around 210 or 11 ml of 95% alcohol is diluted. Okay, that's that. Hope you guys understood this point. Means alcohol dilution. You may get like one numericals from this alcohol dilution. Hope you guys understood this equation properly. Next we are going to discussing regarding adjusting of tonicity, means adjustment of isotonicity. Okay, one of the most important topics. Whatever I am discussing from dispensing pharmacy, these are the major hotspot from where we used to get question in GPAT as well as NIPER. So adjusting tonicity is to be calculated by two different methods. One is freezing point method, another one is molecular concentration. So freezing point method means you have to consider freezing point of 1% weight by volume solution of the adjusting substances. Okay, here is the equation is percentage of weight by volume of adjusting substances equals to 0.52 minus A by B, minus A by B. Okay, now by B. So here A is nothing but the freezing point of the unadjusted solution, and B for the freezing point of 1% weight by volume solution of the adjusting substance. That the equation for freezing point method. And next we are going to discuss regarding molecular concentration. Here the equation will be like 0.03 m by n. Here m is nothing but the gram molecular weight of any substance, n nothing but the number of ions in which the substance will be ionized. Like if we will take NaCl, NaCl, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. If it will be dissociate, it will produce or ionize. It will produce two ions. So N will be N. N will be 2. And here M nothing but the gram molecular weight of substance means molecular weight of sodium chloride we have to put. So 0.03 into that gram molecular weight of the substance by its number of ions it will be produced after ionization. So that the two equation to calculate the adjustment of isotonicity. Okay, hope you guys came to understand these things. So next we are going to discuss regarding proof spirit. What is proof spirit? Proof spirit nothing but the mixture of alcohol and water, which at 51 degree Fahrenheit, 51 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 12 by 13, 12 by 13, 12 by 13 weight of 100 volume water. That's it. So here 57.1 volume of ethyl alcohol is considered to be as 100 volume of proof spirit. Two types of proof spirit is there. One is overproof and one is underproof. Okay, so we have to know how to convert percentage strength to proof strength, and proof strength to percentage strength. That's the two different portion from which we get the question. Okay, so first one, how to convert percentage strength to proof strength. Another one, proof strength to percentage strength. They are the main point we need to remember. So two different types of proof is there. One is overproof, another one is underproof. If the proof strength is below 57.1%, then it will be underproof. If that value or proof strength is more than that 57.1%, then it will be overproof. Okay, now underproof means below 57.1%, and overproof means above, higher than the 57.1%. Okay, overproof used to be denoted by OP and underproof used to be denoted by UP. Okay, not Uttar Pradesh, it's underproof. Okay, so next, how to convert, like we'll give one example. Like if you want to convert 90% of the 90% volume by volume ethanol to proof strength, then how to calculate now? First we have to multiply by 1.73, 1.753. Okay, then we have to like subtracted by 100. If it's positive value, if it's positive value, then it will be overproof. If it's negative value, then it will be underproof. Okay, easy. So at first you have to take that percentage strength, percentage percentage strength into 1.753. 753 minus 100. If you are getting positive value means it will be overproof. If we are getting negative value means it will be underproof. That's the main point from proof sheet. Now we are going to discuss regarding dose calculation. So different dose calculation are there. You guys know Young's formula is there, Dilling's formula is there, Fried's formula, Clark's formula, square meter surface area. Usually we used to get question from like Dilling's method. Dilling's is there. One more thing is there, Fried and Clark's. And this surface area is also known as Cutgel, Cutgel formula. Okay, Cutgel, Cutgel formula. So this equation you need to remember. One is Fried, Clark's, Dilling's or Young's as well as Cutgel. Cutgel based on surface area. Now surface area of the child by surface area of adult into adult dose. Clark's formula based on the weight. Okay, weight. If weight is kg, then weight of the child in kg by 17 to adult dose. If in pound, then it will be divided by 150. Okay, weight of the child in pound by 150. If like 5 formula means based on the age in month. age in month by 150 into adult dose. So in this way you can calculate the different dose for child based on the adult dose. So these are the most important topics from dispensing pharmacy which I need to uh, which I have covered. Hope you guys came to understand all the things. uh, Hope it will be useful for you guys for GPAT and NIPER preparation. So thank you so much. Stay tuned. Please like and comment if you like my, or if you're getting beneficial from my videos, so which will motivate me uh, a lot to do. Thank you so much again, once again. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Stay tuned for further video. All the best.